How to delete photo in Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete photo in Instagram. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to delete a photo or a post on Instagram, simply go ahead and open up Insta and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once on your profile, scroll down and you should be able to see your post here. Now if you want to delete photos, simply a post or simply a photo that you have uploaded as a post, tap on it and then tap on three dots at the top right of the post, tap on delete, and you can delete it. However, if you have uploaded multiple pictures in one post and then you want to delete a particular picture only from the post of multiple photos, what you can do is you can tap on three dots and then you can tap on edit. Once you tap on edit, you should be able to see your pictures here. So you can see here, swipe to the picture that you would like to delete and you shall find the delete option. Tap on it and it shall ask you to delete the media, so you can tap on delete and you can go ahead and delete it and then save it. This is how you can delete a photo on Instagram. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.